Hello everyone. We all know that there are positive energies and negative energies in our lives. And when we are aligned to the positive or right kind of energies, we get fulfilled life, be it sometimes health or relationship or finances. So, aligning to the right energies to get a vibrant health, joyful life, abundant wealth, we definitely need to align with the right kind of energies. And what it is important that we connect to not human but the divine energies, the higher energies who are vibrating at a higher positive levels, and align with them in order to get what you want in your life. And to do this, I'm Dr. Divya Madan, a metaphysical counselor, healer with miraculous healing under my belt. I've worked with thousands of people in the last 2 decades, and I will be teaching those secrets in my Angelic Reiki workshop, which is starting from 21st of March 2022. The details are given in the link below. It also has a WhatsApp link. If you have any question, you can connect and talk to me about it. So see you all on 21st. Take care and goodbye.